In this video, we will learn about the Angular routes class and for navigation from your component classes. We have the two methods, that is router.navigate and router.navigate by URL, and both returns the promise that resolves to the true if the navigation is successful, null if there is no navigation, and false if the navigation fails. How we can utilize the router class method? We have to pass the array of segment of URL to router.navigate, or if we are using navigate by URL, then we need to pass a string, just like we use in our router link directive in our HTML. Let us see how we can achieve this. Let us try to add the router method on your app.component.ts. In our previous video, we have seen we have already two routers available, links available, that is automatic car and the manual car. Let's try to create it is asking for the value. Let us try to pass slash. We have already defined these routes in our app routing module, automatic, manual. We are going to use these two paths. Let's run the application. Let us open this in browser. So when I am clicking on automatic, then it is giving us the view, automatic car view. When clicking on manual, it is working same that we have defined on the router link directive. So that's how we can define the method in your component and navigate with the help of router class. Now what if a particular path is not available? Then what will happen? In our wildcard and the redirect to approach, we have seen how we can redirect the non-matching path to some defined component. So here is also we have the ability. Let us suppose we are trying to navigate manual car 1, that is not available. So it is throwing the error. So what this particular router.navigate returns, it will return you the promise, and as you know we have the method for success and rejected. There we can define the catch, and then let us see if it is success. We are simply consoling.log successfully navigating to manual car view. Here we are defining failed to navigate with region. Let's say we are writing the region, whatever it is coming. Let us apply the same thing on our automatic method also. Both router will be working. So when I am clicking on automatic car, it is printing successfully navigating to the automatic car view. When clicking on manual, successfully navigated to the manual car view. So if I am giving a wrong URL that is not available, then what will happen? So it is successfully navigated, but it is failed to navigate with region. Error, cannot match any routes URL segment, this particular whatever we have given. Let us try to do the same thing with the help of navigate by URL. So in this case we have to pass the string. When I am clicking on automatic, it is navigated. On clicking manual, it is throwing error. If I am giving the correct URL, then it should be success. It is success. Again on automatic, it is success. So this is how we can define the method inside our component and navigate with the help of that particular defined method by using the router module. So what we have to do, we have to import this particular router and we have to utilize the router in order to navigate with the help of router chunk or with the help of the URL. So that's all about the routing and the router.navigate. Thank you so much, and you can go to my previous videos in order if you want to see how we can create the router link and all, and want to see how we can define the routing path etc., and how we can define the router link. So you can go to my previous video to see how we have defined these all things. Thank you.